Hi guys, in my today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the hotspot problem in your device Vivo Y77. So if in this device if you're having any problem related to the hotspot, like your hotspot is not working or not connecting or any other such issue, I'm going to give you a few tips that you can use to fix your problem right now. So before we kick on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So now just follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn how you can fix the hotspot problem in your device.